Today is January 16th and we're prepping the porch area for some work on the weekend. I put some pallets down on the ground area. Yesterday it was really muddy, so I thought when Steve is coming in and out with his materials, if he can step onto those dry pallets and not carry a lot of mud onto the porch, that'd be a good thing. So what we got here is we're all totally enclosed. We have milk jugs full of frozen water that are weighing the tarp down, keeping it closed up. So there's a bunch of blue bungees. Steve can unhook those bungees and pull the tarp back and gain access to the interior. And what we're going to do is we're going to get that framed up, get some windows in there, get some insulation and some outdoor sheathing. Then we'll work on the inside, probably with some kind of a lap strake or shiplap type of material. So that's the plan. It's going to be a kind of a cold night. We're going to get a little bit of snow. That's okay. It's going to warm up again, so all this, any snow that accumulates will melt. I got a garbage can there. He's probably got some packing materials he'll have to throw away. So just wanted to make that convenient for him. I'll show you the inside to see how we set up that. So here's the setup on the back porch. We have our blue stone covered up with cardboard and it's all taped together so it doesn't move around. Here's the tarps that's keeping the weather out, and the support structure that's keeping the end of the roof from falling down, so that runs down to the ground here. We got a torpedo heater with propane to keep the space warm for Steve when he starts to work, and we have some power over here so he can plug in any of his tools. This dinner table we moved out here so we could set up our Christmas tree. We're gonna have to move that back in, and perhaps tomorrow he can help me get that back into the house. It's kind of a heavy table, but I have it covered for now to keep it protected. So this is the workspace. So we're going to put a wall up here, and there's going to be a series of 3 windows that takes up that space. We'll have a small knee wall on the bottom, and then over on this side here we're going to have an entry door, a storm door and an entry door in the middle of this side, and then a window on either side of that. So this whole space will be all windows with the door in the middle to gain entry. And once this is all framed up, we can take the supports down and get the tarps out of the way. You can start doing the finish work. So that's the plan going forward.